My name is Juan. I work at Ecuador Embassy in Qatar. It's my first time in the exhibition. I feel very good. We found a lot of countries, a lot of products, and a lot of people, very good people.
My name is Maksat. I'm representative of Kazakhstan country. Exhibition is very nice. We firstly participated in this exhibition. There is a lot of very nice pavilions, so we connect with other countries.
الحمد لله رب العالمين. أنا هالسنة اجيت المعرض القطري بروجة قطر، والذي أنا شاهدتهم كلهم جيدا.
My name is Rashid Deen. I'm representing Pakistan Discover. Actually, the exhibition is very good. We hope this exhibition will be going all the years because this is very good for between two countries, Qatar and Pakistan.
I'm Jamila. It's always beautiful. We participated last year. It's always beautiful, vibrant, and always giving us opportunities. New clients, new exposure.